awaria emma apomudia enkunimudia asetena enionyamo ahofa the Lord is bringing who etikacho and say enchekura sawoba chapel now we say Rose Roy bi esi abonten ho ema nkrofo ahwe na wo bisa say eye wan dia empere wo ho wai eye mea that is where the Lord is bringing me. That is where the Lord is bringing me. I feel wumpo erade de wo ba baby na baby ade wo ba no eye envious place. Hey Onia me say aware no nyamete wo ba mu no onte me say aware no nyamete wo ba mu no saada no wo maame nte ase wo papa nte ase wo nuanom nte ase se wo hyew senya wote no mo hye ba ma bi oba bi ayamete na mawa wo bisa se no fa he okoyi ni wa he ayefa no hia no afi the Lord your God is bringing you into a good land, into a good land. The businessman contract bia papa contract bia better ni wabrabo contract bia ma yate wonka erade de wo bemo this is your day, this is your time, this is your moment. I see the Lord bringing you into a good land, into a place of fulfillment, a place of destiny, a place of joy, a place of hope. I see God leading you into where your opportunities are. If you believe it, shout, clap, and give the Lord a praise. Ooh. Hey, catch up and say, I am going somewhere. Catch up and say, I now back, sorry. Now what shall my tag, yeah? Now what come and want some? Now we dim ya tamoha and hamio nemo and say so what's me dear ube pua beshame ubaba beshame a son say a rade or the main call tibia bimo na sa tibiano and near my own and your papa and what I make and what I menisa and what's in a member and what on your message so the me do Obama the penny na every player. Wine and opinion I made a baby. So your Titan has given God the go ahead to lift you from the land that is barren, the land that is unfruitful, the land of shame, the land of perplexity, the land of anxiety, the land of curses, the land that nothing good come out from that place. And rather say, because of your Titan, I am taking you and I am bringing you into a place. Into where? A place. And that place, what's the same? Now what's the same? Oh, what's the same? The Diana for what they say me. Hey, to me, now I am me say, oh, ya udima bedui, aye me dodo. Oh, ni awaya mami, na awomentia so. Oh, hey, tell me oh, awaya me say, we are going somewhere. We are going somewhere. And the land that God has brought you in is a land we call the new creation in Christ. The new creation in Christ. And yen nipa ya domini bio na mo nyame ejino no de ne din atone so. Afi baby bi abedu biara epono be biama me say afi baby bi abedu biara epono be biama me say afi baby bi abedu biara epono be biama me say afi baby bi abedu biara epono be biama esan so nyame samede wo ko baby a ene paya dai ewo he is not a man to lie and he is not a son of man to repent. As he said it and he will not bring it to pass. Afi enunti ena make kachira wo say embu hu abomfia na nya wafra wo no ode wo ko baby na nkakra precept upon precept, line upon line, here a little, there a little. He will bring you to the promises that he has made concerning your life. Catch me as a me, my ye. Onjindi onto me nka. Me say catch and say me George Asante. Why you die? Why you die? Why you die? Why you die? Ewa waimu. Ewa Yesu Kristo mo. Yanko kakra. For the Lord thy God bringeth thee into a good land. Now he's going to give us the description of the land. Why that land is called a good land. It's not every land that can be called a good land. There is a land called a good land. And that land has characteristics. That land has a nature. That land has certain things that describes it. What is the characteristics? A land of brooks of water. Kai say Israel for for. And so if God is talking about brooks of water, he is trying to relate his blessing to what they can easily see. You may not be a farmer, you may be a businessman, but God is bringing you into an opportunity, and that opportunity will last forever. Adentia, Israel, by the grace of God, Yakon Hono, Oma Sasri Nina Ayabo, and so and Tower. And would have cried Niso, not a chow. Eti, then the other person travel. Baby, I'm more con Mudia by a day, a best. Mudia and Fifi Nanso Mina Medemo Conti may you more free Egypt. Na Medemo Cosa assassin so na assassin ni das one nisono assassin obiam peno assassin ya say at the baby be a masono and one a mayor mine and neck we are seeing any Sunday Israel and they are fuckingly rich. I said they are. Oh my God. Assassin wo and yes say papa. Winning a day at this assassin 1948. President Bako said, now what are they going to do there? And now near Israel friend say, you give it to us. Adentia onyamieni edi wongachi. And what say one was say, Medumoba Sasia, and the Paya Day, and Wasso. And every day, 6 cargo aeroplanes fly from Israel to Europe with fresh vegetables. A desert land, a dry land, unfruitful land. But God said that I am giving you brooks. Let me go deeper. That word brooks there does not necessarily means water, but that word brooks of water means I will give you the knowledge, I will give you the understanding, I will give you the technical know-how to take that land that is a desert land, a land of unfruitfulness. When my knowledge shall come to you, you shall become fruitful. Afi nimidie bi idea bi ebema wetu mpon a obi ansanka ya no esane se awurade ani di wachinte no onfa sa idea no ndomo. Brooks of water, it also means I will make resources available to you. One thing. He will make what? Ready, available to you. Et you be do hono. Nanya ode be ye asase ni biara no mediama. I feel you will not struggle. No. Me say you will not struggle. Church member bia wutu to so do aha. May this blessing come upon your life. May you receive divine ideas. May you receive technical know-how from God. May you receive insights. May you receive revelation. May you receive understanding that will turn your business around. There is an idea. When that idea happens to your business will turn upside down. Pay a dent in a we are say a time to so do. One person sanctuary. Telling you, one person beba. Ubia be pamadia, and so with the water to wa. Na home. What shall know? Hey, na ataru pamno wahe. Water and better customers. May these ideas come into your mind. When we had the anatom, we do anatom a school for nebedi. But after this service, a divine idea is coming. By that divine ideas, doctors, bankers, engineers, prophets, pastors, teachers, they will run to where you sell and they will come and buy from you. Some of you, after this service, the government of Ghana will give you a call. I know swamp. Me say I know swamp. Is it Reverend George Asante? Now come out. Is it Reverend George Asante? I said yes. This is the presidential staffer, chief of staff. I have the honor and the privilege to inform you that the president of states, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, want to meet you one-on-one to discuss about very important proposal. Oh, hey. Now, Obekachira said, when you come in, I have a special code. Those special codes are given to the special people that I invite. Take my code. Gate nano. You say yes. Was 02443. Say hey, yes, sir, boss. Now you be now we name. Who be the second gate? You say yes. Now what boko do ne be now name. Who name abekona papado. Etine konwa so. Now do wait here and catch say I have received a lot of letters concerning this project, but when I went through all of them, you are the one that qualifies. Ayawa. May that grace come upon your life. Me can you say, hey, where there you been no dear? Papa, where there man count? Dear Tanaho. The Jubilee House, no. I was Ghana had here, and the Ghana Nibia to me call. To the Atanaho. That is a rather bayamana broad journey. Anyone tears yes so. And then a money yo nyankopao. Hey, a land of brooks of water and fountains, oh my God, and depths that spring out of valleys and hills. What does that mean? It means assassin or debra wono. Or mau the brooks of water no. Next start to say water and no by no. A time will come the brook can go off, can dry. But he's saying that your brook will not dry because you know why? I am giving you a fountain that has depth. It goes into the very rock of the earth where water is always available. And when you are in short supply, the brooks, the fountains will bring you water to water. I declare to you, forever and ever. Forever. Eti bonsamba ye dana wako etia wo obaye dai oh say Yehovah tiasi obema ye nsunsuma hoden ama wona wotwan no edi nkuni me say Yehovah tiasi oh obema ye nsunsuma hoden yeah Ekunim moja deseton kunim Ekunim abrenyina oh say Yehovah owure obema ya susuma won jidebujate ama wona wotwa ekunim abrenyina. Amen. Economic crisis, but you will not face economic crisis. And you will not experience Yejuma as say. And you will not say there is a fountain and a depth that will spring water out of the valley for your good. I feel we need a swearing son. Or you need a swarm. Verse number 8. We'll continue. Verse number 8. Let's go. Verse number 8. Now, let us see what is on the land. Now, when he gives you the brooks of water, fountains of the deep, that will spring from the valley, what happens? A land of what? A land of what? A land of what? Catch your onion and say, this is my benefit. Guys, this is my chop chop. Guys, this is what to make me stand out. Then this is what to clear the poverty out of my life. Guys, you don't believe it, eh? You see, you look earnestly, and you will testify about what I have said to you right now. Say, I am going somewhere. Now, baby, I'm a kono. Say, me kodua. Say, na mabra bobeye. A land of what? Yeah, every bit do a woman. Ufa wakachi na kojina waka wa. One kasa be sure won din na say, hey, ka ya media. Me say one kasa ube bisa wo ho. Say, hey, ka ya media. E bia wo dia nya ka. Ba nya me be ma Holland bi. Na wo di Holland ni gu ho. Na wo kai blame my life eh. Ko kai no ka eh. Ene me mama ne. Oh, he will do it. I said he will do it. He is faithful. Into this year, prepare for abundance. This year, prepare for wheat. Why not did he say Ebebusuaman? Hey, do you believe it? You are fully persuaded. Send your work can you no quarry. And the messenger catch us after Ebebusuaman. My catcher may say a time is going to come. Your bachelor, your cast in a best lie. I'm telling you. a time will come, people will struggle to join us. Do you know why they will join us? Because baby, I be do biara no wo hu yan foforo. And your man koye o ba yan koye do na ye dai e koye. And they say, "Fa me ko wunya nkopon no." Na bia me ko am so be ye me saa. Oba so onya me be ye dai, oba me saa. Hey, a land of wheat. Ebia wunya hu wheat won faso. Wheat no wunya hu won faso. Wheat no enum a na wunya ne efe se flour. Esam no ya dandan mu a ubenya koko wom. Esam koko so e powerful. Wundi bi da ochi and akwa akotrai. Esam kro no a to gbe. To no gbe wi a rough bands. From rough bands you come to achomo. From achomo you come to chips. From chips brown bread, better bread, white bread, tea bread, rose bread, butter. Mofanke kaho. Some no cry yo. Wheat nankasa no. What me do no wheat. Your friend say jollof. Wheat no. And say na wheat cocoa. Wheat porridge. Winya. Milk kakra de wano. Now nya brodo ayese. Now see who are. We say we are send some home. Hey. Number 2. Wheat. Yadi pizza. Hey, menkan ba kono kra. Nya ya mo de kan ayi coke no hono. Pie. Spring rolls. Any cake me da say. Wheat no kra ye ani ya internal one. Ye we sa wheat na ye be export it. There is no continent in the world that doesn't eat flour. What does that mean? God is bringing it to global advantage. One thing. May say, out of these blessings, you'll be celebrated globally. And check, you'll be in Ghana. Your label will be in US. Oh, hey, amen. And check, you are in Accra. We brought the bedu kumase. Me say, and check, you are in Accra. We brought the bedu buanga hafo. And what is your wheat? The wheat is your product. I said the wheat is your product. So whatever the devil would do, we will produce. And those that produce, they have advantage over those that buy. That is why Africa must come out from consumer-oriented product into manufacturing. The reason Africa has resources, but Africa is poor, is that we tend to consume than to produce. Any nation that wants to be rich must produce. I dare you to produce from now. Produce from every rich resource God has given you. Some of you must produce your book. Some of you must produce your food. Some of you must produce your kind. Let me tell you, and I was said, Daddy. So and Daddy, you'll be poor. And Daddy, I may see you'll be poor. But at that be you'll be globally celebrated. My time has but I have more. Bali, and then Yadia be a dear club. Bali. San omenina eye cash eye sika and vines. The ka vines are who Israel na behu. Vines and fig tree. Wow, emana moto srade esra no. Uto cream bia asra. Na sa cream no pomegranate wo mu a best. Sade na won pomegranate. Who talk cream biara now who say yes pomegranate wo mu a best. And into what the after pomegranate, he came back to a land of olive. A land of what? And to win your oil, no, not the pomegranate in a one when you seek. But nina divine ideas. And a deba. And yes, I made the sign your mouth. Not divine idea anywhere. What the one to say Ghana for it made a gold, quite fried rice. Obisuji gold, you know, or the manufacture aircraft, or the manufacture car, or the manufacture your friend say train. Na ya kasi ya kofwa ya jiani son. Adentia, we don't know the value of producing. And open me boy radem pass adebio nyame diama wo biara. Add value to it. Tieme, ayetina wo ba. Learn it well and do it well. Ayadena wo pamwa. Obi di atare brawa. Empama atare nte se ne sebe. Weni abo. Obi wa anatare odma ahoma na ise. What's that? I don't know what Pamano. I'm going to say. Se pimpiniso, se boto, se down your hook. The person like divine idea. Amui ediani obian yebi. Basa sabakono nuane de anoa obia person ye dai odibi. Na bakono nua no enye ne nsa na odono ya ye. Enye the same tomatoes me koni jene. Na ye den na bakono de no power wom. Na bakono power nim divine ideas. Your titan is what releases that blessing. I feel radima divine ideas. Nyame ya adoma met you as my time, so there are a lot to do. But we are say a land of oil olive. And there and any idea ma Israel for sikapa. Me call her eniha. Me to olive oil. Ya wo anointing oil wo ho. Okowa. Ya anointing oil wo ho. Specially made. A bottle kitwe be saying across the dem na say around. Sa bottle kitwa no $100. Who say $100. Na say ya the olive oil na kan wa e chen spray. Me obi si me office. Dey be a anoint service am dey be frame ma. And na make us say ko Israel ko hwe nkrofo atu aguso. Na sika de bra o man no enye sika ketwa etianko nyame ma won olive oil no ene wotena dua no ho a meti heyara me twanya me nadum o adum re meti heyara me twanya me nadum meti anka omotwa na nkrofo bi abetwa. Oh, everybody, me kasana bibi ya me kra. Say, yet Ghana ha. Me American tell me relate yama. Ye cha koko. Na ya sia koko. Ye de si poso. Na ko. Na ye mbebi wo Ghana ha. Milo wo hu bi da. Milo wo hu bi da. Na kwesi pro ni dia ko chocolate. Or they are all the cocoa products. No was shape ya turn aboard. Why we lack divine ideas? And to Israel for ankotena ho. Olive oil no so ye no mu twa ye. Omu twa wie ye no aba na ewo mu no ana omu hata ye. Ana omu dure ni oil ye dai ewo mu. And the oil no e ma won sika. Oil no ma won sika etitie mu ha so nyame the raw material ma now we sell raw material. You will not be rich. You must process the raw material into finishable products. It is in the product that your wealth resides. It's the idea bia nyame dia ma obiara. Begin to sell it, process it, make it a finishable product, and they will buy. I'm telling you, who have divine ideas and can the throw buka. Kabuki at the waka bro. Besha with him, would baby and what can be to a good. No more bombs are crack. We are good, oh. How much did you get? Free clapping. Free clapping. Obi Senediano. Watchro. Ochro we no lunch here. People are buying into his ideas. And because they are buying into his ideas, he's becoming a wealthy person. And then I'm person challenge you when say, add value to it. I say, add what? Some of you are beautiful, but you yourself, you don't know how to polish yourself. Anka brano siano kawarino, nemumo bano zombie. Nanso anka to nebo, ana ko catwalk kakra. Or add value to the beauty now. Anka ye toye. Mesi anka ye dai. Catch on and say, don't be a raw material. Oh, talk together, don't be a raw material. How many of you are going to rise up? You are going to bring out your product. Are you going to bring it? No. Do you believe you are going to bring it? May divine ideas be released. Stand on your feet. Lots. But what you tight and then you left here tight. You tight. You tight. And then I will share our YouTube and our Facebook. I want to challenge you. There is something that God has deposited inside of your spirit. And what he has deposited inside your spirit is what we call your giftings and your talents. They are raw. But if you can come to God, God will give you divine ideas to release those talents and gifts. And they will turn your life around. Very soon, we shall hear of you. It doesn't matter where you are coming from and the situations that have surrounded you. God has the power to turn situations around. All that you need to do is to accept the free gift of Christ. Let Christ come and dwell in you. And he will turn your life upside down. And you will become a living testimony to many. Lift your tithe up.